A 5 semi-automatic installation tutorial. Front panel, back panel, rubber pad, lock body screw, screw tube, square rod, battery, key, reversing screw, bamboo joint screw, spring, IC card. Draw the holes to be drilled according to the hole diagram and use an electric drill to drill. Drill the lock body hole position according to the hole diagram. Drill the lock body depth hole position according to the hole diagram. Adjust the latch according to the schematic on the lock body. First, open the buckle. Rotate the latch. Press in the latch. At this point, the latch reversing is complete. Adjust the direction of the front handle as needed. Tighten the handle fixing screw at the screw hole. The handle has rebounded, indicating adjustment is complete. Adjust the direction of the rear handle as needed. Tighten the handle fixing screw at the screw hole. The handle has rebounded, indicating adjustment is complete. After adjustment, check if the handle is facing outward. Install the rubber pad with the raised side in the groove at the back of the front plate. Organize the rubber pad. Screw one end onto the stud. Tighten with pliers. Press and push up on the arrow to open the rear lock battery box cover. Install the rubber pad with the raised side in the groove at the back of the rear lock. Insert the spring. Install the lock body. Tighten the lock body screws. Insert the square rod into the front lock's hand hole. When installing the front lock, be sure to pass the data cable through the door hole to avoid pinching the wire. Measure the reserved length of the square rod to be 1.5 to 2 centimeters and cut off the excess part. Connect the data cables of the front and rear locks properly. Organize the excess data cable and tuck it into the door gap. When installing the back plate, the spring needs to be pressed into the metal castings. Align and install it onto the square column. Install the screws for the rear lock. Adjust the front and rear locks, then tighten the screws. Install the battery into the battery box. Press and hold for 5 seconds to restore factory settings. Press the pound key to confirm. Installation complete.